Hi, this is Sunil Kumaran from Reliance Broadcast Network Limited. I just finished this session on leadership simulation. I think for the last 3 days it was an excellent experience for me. I'm just about moving into a general management kind of a role, and I think the workshop is designed specifically for people who are moving into a general management role. It touches on a few very, very important aspects. One is finance. I think it gives you a very simplistic and lovely explanation of what finance is and how does that impact all decision making that you do in an organization. The other important thing which you learn or which you take away from the workshop is the importance of every function and how the decision then at every functional level can impact the organization as a whole, and the importance of doing a collective decision making and then understanding its implication on finance, and how does it implicate how does it imply on the business prospects is very, very critical, and I think that came across very clearly. The one good part about the workshop was the lucid fashion in which the facilitators took the whole workshop. It started off on a note where we were all groping, and I think by the end of the third day, you could see that across the teams, everyone was much more confident with the decision making. The concepts were much more clearer, and it was fun. So I think it was a brilliant session, and I would recommend this for anyone who's getting into a general management role.